Welcome to the course of Computer Networks. I am Neha Sharma, Assistant Professor at Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering at Engineering College Jhalawad. So let's get started today's class. Today we shall be discussing about MM1K model. In the previous lectures we have discussed MM1, MM Infinity and MMM model. So now today this MM1K model, which is basically a finite server, means a single server, and a finite queue model. So it is a special case for your MM1 model because there is enough room. In case of MM1, there is enough room for any number of customers. Means there are infinite number of customers. Infinite queue is there for MM1 case, but when we limit the number of customers to the k, means in this queue only k number of customers are allowed, and if the number of customer crosses k, they have to actually wait, or they can those requests can be lost. Okay, so in mmk 1k model we are going to consider that there is only space for k customers in the system. The restriction in the waiting space is known as finite buffer. Customers arrive and served following a Poisson distribution as in the previous case, but now if there are more than k customers in the system, they will be lost. So this is again a very important performance parameter for this MM1K queue. How many requests are lost? So we will find mathematically what should be that loss. Taking into account MM1 queue's equilibrium or balance equation and applying steady state condition to it, we have. So from where I have written this formula, it's nothing but your same MM1 case. So we will go to MM1 case and then we'll see how what changes we have done here. So this is basically your MM1 model, but it is for your infinite queue. Okay, so you can see here, after solving, we will take this whole thing, equilibrium equation we have taken, and we have applied the steady state condition, and finally we have arrived to this equation, P1 equals to lambda by mu P0. So if I write it like this, Pn plus 1 mu equals to lambda Pn. Can I write it like this? उसको थोड़ा सा rearrange करके your mu will go here, और 1 को means n equals to 0 अगर मैं रखूँ, और तो special case में I can write this equation. Okay, this equation. So we are taking again this equation only, जो कि हमने MM1 case में derive किया था, and we have written it here like this, lambda Pn mu Pn plus 1. You can compare here. Okay, so this is for your up to k minus 1, up to k people, because we have starting it from 0 से start किया हमने, so that's why this is k minus 1. Otherwise in the earlier case it was up to infinite in previous case. So Pn is the probability of n number of customers in the system at time t, and lambda is your arrival rate, and mu is your service rate, जो कि हम Markovian chains में consider करके चलते हैं. So by solving all these things we got Pn equals to rho n P0. ये सेम चीज़ हमने इसमें derive किया था MM1 वाले केस में. Okay, let's again go back and see whether this thing is same. Okay, so this thing we have derived here. See, considering this lambda by mu equals to rho, which is the load of the system, and putting all these values, we finally got this Pn rho n P0. नाउ यहाँ पे चेंज क्या होगा, यहाँ पे हमने सम ऑफ प्रोबेबिलिटीज़ इज़ n इक्वल्स टू 0 to infinity लिया था, 0 to infinity, बिकॉज क्यू इनफाइनाइट थी. बट अब जो हम मॉडल कंसिडर कर रहे हैं उस केस में देर इज़ अ चेंज इन लिमिट, only there is a change in limit. So here in this case your limit, applying this sum of probability, same thing, and the limit will be from 0 to k. Will be from 0 to k. It is something like this. So you can write Pn ka value is rho n p0, p0 being a constant will come out, and this is rho n. So this equation is nothing but your, if you expand it, we will get a geometric series here. So we will apply the sum of geometric series, and you will find here the final p0 will be 1 minus rho, this is rho, please don't get confused, upon 1 plus rho k plus 1 if your lambda is not equals to 0 in this case. Okay, you have to consider this when lambda upon mu is not 0. ओके ये तो क्लियर है, दिस इज सेम जो हमने कंसिडर किया था, रो विल बी योर लैम्डा बाय म्यू एंड इट इज़ greater than 1 for your finite number of q, if your q is finite. Okay, for another case when your lambda is equals to 0, lambda is equals to mu means आपका जो arrival rate है, means your arrival rate and your service rate is same. Service rate is same here. So in this case यहाँ पर directly you need not to put rho as 1. अगर इस equation में you will put rho as 1 तो आंसर नहीं ठीक आएगा. Okay, lambda by mu, lambda equals to mu means your rho is 1 in this case. Okay, so where we will put this? We will put this here. ये जो equation 1 or you can say this equation number 2. In this equation number 2, if you put rho as 1, you will get p0, your limits from n equals to 0 to k into 1 equals to 1. Okay, so series of 1 1 1 adding up from 0 to k, you will get this k plus 1 here, and your p0 will come out to be 1 upon k plus 1. This is important to note. For the arrival and service rates are same. Okay, next is pn is rho n p0. So again p0 जो हमने दोनों केसेस के लिए फाइंड किया था, we will put this value and you will get this expression for lambda is not equals to q, while it is same, जो p0 है same is your pn for lambda equals to 0, because here your this value will become 1. ठीक है. Next is the average number of customers in the system is given by this from 0 to k n pn. So let's see कि वहाँ पर क्या change था for mm1 case. So you can easily compare. Okay, so for mm1 case the average number of people is in the system is given from 0 to infinity. Again you can see हमेशा जो भी change है दोनों models में it is only with the limit is up to infinite. So you got rho upon 1 minus rho, while in this case you have to change it. So pn का जो भी value हमने find किया था, that is 1 upon k plus 1 will put here for lambda equals to mu case, and using the arithmetic progression series का जो sum होता है we will apply to this, and finally we will have k by 2 for your lambda equals to mu case. For the other case where lambda is not equals to mu, this is the final result. So this is a sort of homework for you कि just try and match कि यही expression हमारे पास आता है या it is quite different. Again you have to put the value of pn जो कि हमने इस केस में निकाला है. This value of pn, this value of pn you have to put here, and then you will apply the same AP series, and then you will find के final sum क्या होगा, एंड यू विल गेट दिस. Please don't get confused, this is again rho. Actually in some books this expression lambda by mu, it is given by a, sometimes it is given by alpha. तो अलग अलग बुक्स में अलग अलग नोटेशंस दिए हुए हैं. प्लीज़ डोंट गेट कन्फ्यूज्ड बाय इट. हमेशा आपको एक ही नोटेशन लेके चलना है फॉर ऑल ऑफ द केसेस. ओके, so it is given something like this: the average number of customers that the system loss can be noted as arrivals once the system is in state k. So it is like k, there are only finite number of people allowed in a queue. मतलब queue में मेरे पास 4 लोग ही अलाउड है. मेरे पास जो वेटिंग एरिया है, यू कैन जस्ट थिंक दिस एज अ सिचुएशन कि दिस इज़ एन ATM, ठीक है, और ATM में यू नो देर इज़ क्यू. तो टेकिंग इट अ कंडीशन के यहाँ पे ATM में पीपल आर टेकिंग आउट कैश एंड देर इज़ अ क्यू. ओके, देर इज़ से सपोज क्यू ऑफ 4 पीपल. उसके बाद सम अदर पर्सन का मैन सी के अरे भाई बहुत टाइम लगेगा मनी विड्रॉ करने के लिए या ATM सर्विसेज के लिए. सो व्हाट हैपन्स कि दैट पर्सन लुक एट द क्यू एंड इट गोज़ बैक, तो वो आता ही नहीं है. सो दिस जो आके यहाँ से चला गया सीइंग द लाइन एंड सीइंग द क्यू, दैट पर्सन दैट कैन बी अज्यूम्ड एज द लॉस इन द सिस्टम, बेसिकली द लॉस इन द सिस्टम. सो वो लॉस कितना होगा, उसका प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या होगा. सो दिस वी आर फाइंडिंग के सपोज इस ATM में ओनली 4 पर्सनस आर अलाउड एट अ टाइम. 4 के बाद जो भी 5वां जना आएगा उसको यहाँ पे जो गार्ड है, दैट गार्ड विल नॉट अलाउ कि यू कैन नॉट एंटर इट. इट कैन बी टेकन लाइक दैट वे. तो देर इज़ प्लेस ओनली फॉर 4 पीपल. सो जो 5th पर्सन जो भी आया दैट इज़ बेसिकली अ लॉस. तो उसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या होगी. सो वी कैन से कि द सिस्टम इज़ इन दैट स्टेट व्हेन दिस इज़ द कंडीशन व्हेन योर सिस्टम इज़ इन स्टेट kth स्टेट में है. सो इट इज़ गिवन समथिंग लाइक दिस: PK मीन्स योर n will be n is equivalent to your k at state k. So PK is given by 1 minus rho. Here nothing I have done, just ये जो PN वाला जो हमने फाइनल एक्सप्रेशन निकाला था, यहाँ पे इंस्टेड ऑफ n we are putting k, and this is for lambda is not equals to mu, while if it is 1, rho is 1, this PK is given by 1 upon k plus 1. Okay, so this is your basically case for your MM1 system, MM1K model. Okay, next is your MM and small m model. So basically इस मॉडल में क्या है, again arrival and the service rate is in lambda and mu, and this is again finite number of servers. There are m number of servers and there is a finite queue, m places in a queue. So this is a special case for your MMM क्यू. जो हमने MMMQ लास्ट क्लास में हमने पढ़ा था, उसी का ही एक स्पेशल केस है. इस स्पेशल केस में व्हाट शुड बी द वैल्यू ऑफ PN, P0, कस्टमर लॉस कितना होगा, दैट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट. एंड अगेन जैसे हमने MM1 के मॉडल के लिए अज्यूम किया था, वेयर योर लिमिट्स हैव बीन चेंज्ड फ्रॉम इन्फिनिटी टू k. In the same case here in this model there is a change in a limit, and you can find out the various expressions using this MMM model. And this is your assignment for today. Okay, thank you so much.